Hello, Kibs. Look at our table. We have flour, eggs, milk, and yummy fruits. First, let's make red. Strawberries make it red. Now, yellow. Yellow like this lemon. Mix it up. Next is green. Spinach makes it healthy and green. And blue. Blueberries are so sweet. Let's cook. The pan is hot. Pour the red batter. Flip it over. Look at that color. One by one, let's make a tower. Yummy syrup goes on top. Drip, drip, drip. Time to taste. Big bite. Yum! See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.